couple of more, and I just want to show you guys again what it looks like. If you guys would like for me to do like a dedicated tutorial on this, let me know. And I'm sorry, I'm like hunched down because the angle of the camera, I want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing, so my face is not really that important. But so here's what it looks like again, front and back. And so pretty much what you do is you fold it in half. So you create like a little pamphlet or brochure about your business. After you fold it in half and then you cut it, this is what it looks like. Really cute. So let me explain what I have on here. So since I'm featuring my lip masks, that's what I have on the cover, my lip therapy bundle, because that product is featured in that bundle. So since that's what I'm giving out samples of, that's what I put on the front. And then I put a cute little question down here, need lip therapy, because again, this is my lip therapy bundle. And if you're new here, my lip therapy bundle comes with a lip mask, a nighttime lip mask, a lip balm, and a lip exfoliator. Then on the inside, it has our collection, so it tells you everything that I offer and things that are coming soon. And then I gave a little bit of a, I guess like a, well, the question says, why shop iAmPrincess Beauty? So, you know, there's so many other brands out there. Why should you shop with me? So I'll read to you guys what I have in here. Our products are handmade with love in small batches to ensure quality right here in Houston, Texas. Our business is Black woman owned. In addition to serving all of your royal beauty and personal care needs, our brand endeavors to work towards dispelling the stigma that is associated with mental illness and domestic violence in underserved communities. We also partner with the A-Team Initiative to provide mentorship and leadership training to Houston's youth. Did we mention that our goodies are all natural and cruelty-free? So it gives you some information about kind of like what our missions are. And I haven't talked much about this, and I'll be talking more about this in the coming weeks about some of my personal aspirations and history and my story, you know, how my personal story ties into what I'm doing here with iAmPrincess Beauty, and how I plan to use my business as part of my purpose work, the things that I'm passionate about in my community. So I will be sharing that more with you guys in the coming weeks. And then on the back, again, I wanted to personalize this, so I have a picture of myself. And then it says, thank you for supporting my small business and big dreams, blessings and love, Princess. That is also on my website. How am I going to package these? I'm simply going to get an organza bag. I'm going to get this cute little insert, slide it in there, get a lip mask, drop it in there, and bam. That's that. And so that's what that looks like. I think that's really cute, really good branding. It was inexpensive, like really cheap. I wanted to print this on cardstock, but I just went with what I had, and all I had was regular paper. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. I have class at 8, so I need to get this done ASAP. All right, real quick, guys, I just wanted to show you one of my labels for one of my masks. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it this way. I may change some things around, but this is the front label and this is the back label with the instructions, ingredients, and then my shelf life, showing that there were no animals tested or harmed for the creation of this project. It's 100% natural, and it is recyclable. It has my website, handmade with love in Houston, Texas. And again, like I said, my ingredients, and then I put like a little tip for use here. And I did make this on Canva. If you guys would like for me to do a tutorial on this, let me know. But this is for my deep sea mask and exfoliator, which is a nourishing mud mask. So yeah, I'm going to put this into the label editor. I'm going to download this and put it into a template, print it off, and see what it looks like. Oh, that printed off not too great. The way I put the labels in the template messed it up. So I'm gonna do it a different way, but it probably doesn't seem like it to y'all, but this writing is so tiny This is so small. So I think I'm gonna go in and edit my directions. Yeah, I'm gonna go in and edit my directions to make them, I'm sorry y'all, I'm all out of frame, to make them a little bigger because it's small. And y'all excuse my desk at work, it's a mess, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna have to do that differently. Alright, so y'all ignore all the noise in the background, but this is what, these are gonna be my containers, and this is what my mock labels look like. So I'm happy with this. I do need to still modify, make some changes. I'm gonna make some of the font a little bit bigger. Make sure I edit this. Excuse my ashy hands, y'all. I have eczema, so yeah, and it's cold out here these days. Since these prints are small, I don't think I'm going to put them on there. Not on this product, but I am going to take this. I'm going to leave my shelf life symbol on there, make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to move some stuff around. But yeah, I'm happy with the way that looks. I think it looks really good. So yeah. And again, this is just the paper that's taped on there. I printed it off on regular paper, cut it out and taped it on here with a piece of tape just to kind of see what it looks like before I print it on my labels. I wanted to make sure I didn't mess it up. So yeah, I like it. I think it's super cute.
I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas today. Everything in this video is available for purchase on iAmPrincessBeauty.com. Thank you for hanging with me today. I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Y'all be blessed.